Hi everybody, welcome back. It is Flip Flop Mountaineer and I am taking you across state lines today. We are in the state of Georgia and we're in the small town of Blairsville, Georgia, where they've got a hidden gem that not too many people know about. It is just up the road. It's a waterfall. You won't want to miss it. Now, Blairsville, Georgia is located in the Blue Ridge Mountains and it is a beautiful place. So come along with me as we go explore Georgia. Hi guys, Flip Flop Mountaineer and I made it to Helton Creek Falls. We are going to go hiking down to the falls and it's not a bad hike. It's actually mostly steps, so just make sure you keep that in mind. And if you drive here, just know in advance that part of it is a dirt road. Flip Flop Mountaineer, I made it to the base. This isn't even Helton Creek Falls. This is just the beginning. We have to go up to see Helton Creek Falls. So I want to take you there, but I just thought I'd show you this spot in case you have little ones or you want a picnic. It's a beautiful spot, very quiet, very shaded, and you may just want to come and just enjoy Helton Creek Falls in Blairsville, Georgia. I am down at the first overlook to the swimming hole to Helton Falls. We still have to go up to the top to see the real waterfall, but this is where you can picnic and go swimming. Falls, and it's just about sunset behind me, as you can see. So I just wanted to leave you on this note. It's such a beautiful place, Helton Creek Falls in Blairsville, Georgia. If you can't make it there, you know I'll take you. Let's explore.